Hello everybody. It's now 4:45 a.m. here in Iceland and a beautiful morning. I'm going to hike to the volcanic eruption that started on July 10th. Now we have July 31st and I'm now parked in parking number 4, so it will be a long hike this morning to get to the volcanic eruption. Let's go. We have about 11 degrees Celsius, which is for nighttime very good. Now I am following Trail A. First time since I was at the eruption in 2021. The other 3 times I visited this volcanic eruption, this current one, I did Trail E. But now you cannot go very close, so I'm gonna try out this trail and see how it is. It is more difficult and a bit longer, I think, so yeah, hopefully it will be a little bit better than Trail E. We'll see. Scientists have been saying now that there might not be a lot left of this volcanic eruption since the intensity of the eruption has decreased, and yeah, so they say it might even end before September, which is just a normal length, they told us, how such an eruption is supposed to last. Wow, I remember this hill from 2021 when they hadn't made the path and all of the people were hiking here in the snow in winter time. It was so slippery and there was total chaos here. Hundreds of people trying to walk up and down this hill, and so many people injuring themselves. But then eventually they made this very nice path which people can use again today to watch the new volcanic eruption. Very nice. This is the lava field from 2021. Fagradalsfjall. Beautiful. But we need to head up there. This is a really nice path and well marked as well. Here we can see the main crater from 2021 and another one over there, a bit smaller, but it is quite big. But I've been hiking now for 1 hour and I must be halfway there, I think. So there's still a long way to go. I remember when I came here the first time, this was just a deep valley, and it's crazy to see how the landscape has changed. And I will also remember this crater forever, since this is where I melted my first drone. And I was so sad when it happened. But I got the most amazing footage, so it was worth it. New lava field. Path A is a bit more challenging than Path E, just so you know. However, I would not say it's difficult generally. It's maybe challenging in some parts, a little bit steep, but not difficult. But it's also a little bit longer, I think. I must be total 11 or 12 kilometers one way to Litli Hrútur mountain. So yeah, more difficult than E, but not difficult. Listen to this. The silence. It's amazing. You can't believe how many times I think about in the winter. Oh, can't wait for the summer to experience silence and hikes like this where you're completely alone early in the morning. Nothing beats it. It's just the best. So Keilir is over here and the Litli Hrútur over there, and that's where I need to go. So as you can see, there is still some way to hike. I would guess 3 kilometers at least, but I cannot complain. It's perfect outside. This is the eruption from last year, Meradalir. I missed that one completely because I was working in Svalbard on an expedition cruise. I got so sad when it started, and when I heard about it, because I was stuck of course in Svalbard and I really wanted to go, but I heard it wasn't as beautiful as the Fagradalsfjall eruption in 2021. So when I heard that, I was less sad, I can say. But anyway, Svalbard was also a stunning experience. You can't be in many places at the same time. Make sure when you're hiking here to take enough of water with you. There are no rivers or lakes where you can fill up your water bottle. So make sure you take plenty with you. I have now 1 liter with me, which should be enough. But I also have more in the car once I get back, so maybe 1.5 liter total. But I would take at least 1 liter with you of water. On my way up on Litli Hrútur, you can see how much area the lava has covered. This is insane. Oh, finally on the top. Look at the view. So beautiful. Well, you know, it's drone time now, so I'm gonna make a few flights over the crater and see if I get some nice footage. This time I'm not going too close. I made that mistake now 2 times. No more, no more. So, I've been flying the drone a lot. I hope I got some nice footage. I was alone until the helicopters came. 3 or 4 of them now flying around with passengers enjoying a nice helicopter tour. But wow, I've been alone. Wait, I'm gonna wait for the helicopter to leave. Yeah, I've been alone now for probably 1 hour. It's so beautiful. One interesting thing I saw is that there's no lava river flowing out of the crater. It must be going underneath the lava field, and I don't know where it comes out. Some of it over there, but it's constantly changing. That's how it is. Completely different when I was here last time. So the crater is over there, and see how far the lava has reached, all the way to the end there. Literally next to the Meradalir lava field. Oh man, I wish one of these helicopters would just land here and say, "Hey Herman, do you want to ride back to your car?" Well, I guess not. Please, I'm here. Or not. Some other people starting to come. It was nice being alone at the volcano. I had it for myself for maybe 1 to 1.5 hours. It was amazing. But it's time to head back to the car. So that means almost 3 hours of hiking now. Wish me luck. So Litli Hrútur is by far a better place to see the volcanic eruption. However, the downside is it's considered to be within the danger zone. So you need to decide what you want to do. There's a lot coming up in the next weeks. First of all, I am going on an expedition cruise as a tour guide to Greenland, and then I will stay on the ship and be there as a passenger. And I am doing that in order to be able to create some content, take photographs and so on. So I will also do some video blogs from my experiences in Greenland. And if you like the videos I'm making, I kindly ask you to subscribe. It's free, and then you can continue to enjoy my video blogs and videos. So many people hiking now. And I am about halfway back to the car. So I think it's time to end this vlog. I really thank you for watching, and see you in the next adventure.